This is a 10-kilogram bag of fabric that I bought for £20. Well, I suppose £24.75, including postage and packaging, but still, 20 quid for all of this. And as a beginner sewist, I am stoked because I don't want to waste a lot of money on a lot of practice fabric. I have no idea what's in it. Well, there are holes in the bags because the bag has split a lot, as you can see from all the tape, all the splits, and yeah, that's just... But still, mostly it's a mystery bag. I would just like to take this opportunity to say this is not sponsored. This is the first time I bought from this company, so we are going to learn all about this together. So now I've got all of that admin out of the way. I've always thought that the anticipation of opening a thing is slightly more enjoyable than they actually having opened the thing. So I'm just gonna have a little guess at what I think might be inside. Actually, I'm gonna tell you what I thought might be inside before I could actually see the fact that I've got quite a few stretch materials and something golden sheddy. My theory was that because I was buying at the end of summer, I would get a lot of flowy, summery fabrics and nice summery colors. I have some things I would love to find. Like, I'm really after a nice, like, monochrome blue batik or orange batik. Even if I don't like this stuff even to practice on, I will use this as stuffing, so none of this is going to go to waste. I will use it. One way or another, it will be used, don't worry. Anyway, let's open this. Not using the material scissors. Okay. Oh, Christ. That's all. Just deal with that later. Ooh, we've got a variety of stuff. Right, oh, I'm stuck. What's this? Is that elastic? Coming from this, and you are stuck in a knot. Okay. Good to know that you shed. Oh, that's fun. That's really drapey. Oh, so silky. I could just use that as a scarf straight off. I'd need to stop it from fraying, but snazzy. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, and it's Christmassy. I don't normally like Christmas prints, but that. I think that might actually be proper cotton as well. I'll have to do a burn test on that. Polka dots. Yes. Polka dot was on my wish list. Oh, this confirms it. This is definitely dead stock and remainders. So I have saved this from landfill. This is good. I don't know. It's kind of stretchy. I don't know if I like that or not. I kind of do, but I don't think I'd like it on me. Okay, that's kind of a similar, kind of autumny. I think this is probably a synthetic flannel, but it feels quite thick. I don't know how breathable it is. This is quite a large amount of this. This is practice fabric. I can't think of anything else I'd want to do with this. It's not my kind of thing, but good amount of practice fabric there. This is the thing that's been shedding everywhere. I'm gonna have to be careful with that. I don't know what I'd use this for. Maybe I could, I think what I'll probably do with it actually is cut bits of it out and use it as embellishment for embroidery maybe. Like, it would make really nice wing material, because that's very see-through. Now this, I could see through the hole. It looks like faux suede. It's got this kind of scaly pattern on. There's quite a bit of it. It's got some tape down the side for some reason. It's stained, but otherwise good. I've been umming and ahhing about what to do with this, and the only thing I could think to make with it is a bag, but I'm not at bag making levels yet, so this is not beginner material. Or maybe it is. Maybe it'll make a nice tote. I don't know. It's good. Good thick material. And I think this is the same thing in beige. In rouge. This has been well screwed up, which says to me that they have really stuffed this bag to get to the 10 kilograms. And I have weighed it, it actually does weigh 10 kilograms. So I'm not mad about this. This can be ironed. I'm just quite pleased that they're like, okay, yeah, let's just fill this bag as much as we can. Thanks, guys. I think, looking at this, I'm happy to say that I got a referral code. So if you want to use it, you could get £5 off your purchase if you want to try them out. And I would also get £5 off my next purchase. But looking at this, I don't think I'm going to need any fabric for a while. So have at it. And if at any point it stops working, let me know. I will take it down immediately with a note saying what's happened. This though, this is absolutely, there's a large amount of this. I looked at it through the hole in the bag and I was going, maybe it's enough for a top, but I really wanted to make a knit dress out of it. And I think I've definitely got enough for certainly a dress and maybe some tops as well. Yes, some more sheer stuff that again, probably use for, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Don't know. There's some more of that knit, but less of it and in a purple. Oh, hang on. This is interesting. It's got stuff happening here. So you've got a stretchy bit and then it goes into a smooth bit. Bizarre. Bizarre. Well, bizarre to me, who is still a novice in fabrics at any rate. Now this. Isn't that just a lovely colour? Such a nice sheen to it, so shiny. It's very soft. It's quite lightweight, but not very drapey. I think I'll probably make something fancy and then just wear it around the house. Oh, this is nice. Oh, you're going to be horrible to sew, aren't you? It's very slippery. Oh, but it's so nice. But it's so slippery. It just slips straight off my hand. It's just like bunches of, this has come off this, which also kind of a coarser version of this. So this is very soft and very slippery. And this is kind of, I can feel the woven kind of a rough woven texture. I'm gonna have to fold this and it's gonna be a pain. But for now, pile. This is also a lot of knit and it's slippery. I like this very much so. And this, this is nice. This is so nice. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but it's gorgeous purple colour. It looks bright purple in my camera right there. So it's kind of like a very subtle pinstripe. So you've got darker pinstripes and then lighter pinstripes, and then you've got the shiny metallic thread running through it all. That is so very nice. And this has interesting textures going on here. I think like this is damaged. Yeah, okay. So that's what it's supposed to look like. That's what some of it looks like. Oh, it smells like warehouse. Dropped you. So this is gonna be a good practice fabric. Stretchy again. So I'm gonna have a lot of practice with stretch fabric. I have stretch needles, so that is lucky. And then we've got this pinky drapey thing. Pink's not my color, but it's a nice fabric. So, oh, I've missed some. There's this with some sticker stuff stuck to it. This was, okay, it's got a design number, so it's got details on it. None of this has told me what kind of fabric it is, so I'm sort of left guessing. This is 100% polyester. This one has a tag on it. And this is cute. This would make, I was going to say this would make nice pajamas, but the fabric doesn't actually feel like it would be nice to wear as a comfy thing, because maybe after washing it would. It just kind of feels a bit, kind of almost carpeted. It's got a nap to it. It's not unpleasant, it's just I wouldn't want to wear it against my skin. I don't know that it's really bag material either. But I'm so happy I'm really happy with this actually. Very happy. I've got such a variety of materials. I mean, this is definitely more than 20 quid's worth. I mean, this feels like a sturdy cotton. Probably not, but it feels like it, and it feels like it will be nice and breathable. I think this would make a really nice peasant top, actually. Peasant top. Now I'm going to see how much I've actually got here by measuring it all out and then figuring out how much I've actually paid per metre. It's gonna be pence to make some room first, so let's just... Oh, you've got a hole in you. I wonder why. Circular holes. As you can see, this method brought out my finest shrimp posture, which began to hurt quite a bit very soon, so I switched to a standing method, which weirdly felt like I was able to measure more accurately that way, and best of all, not painful. Then I proceeded to pile my materials into fabric types to give me a better overview of what I had. Okay, this is the haul, this is the damage. I kind of just want to throw it all on the floor and roll in it, but maybe after it's been washed. I have separated it out into their various fabric types. So this huge pile here is all stretch fabric. We've got 7 different types of stretch. So 1, 2, 8 different really decently chunked size, 8 pieces of really decently sized chunks of fabric here. Well, mostly decent. There's 1 or 2 small pieces. I've also got 2 things of flannel. This I worked out was kind of a corduroy. So that's kind of cool. This is organza, I think that's called. And this is a bit of crepe that I missed when I first went through it. This is 3, I don't know what they are, they're like just nice drapey flowy fabrics. I've got 2 what look like they could be a kind of cotton. These are satin drapey. I've got 2 kind of thicker satin type things. 1 really drapey one, and 1 not drapey so much as flowy. It's kind of almost liquidy. And then we've got this mystery bundle that I want to call faux suede, but I just have no clue what it is. It's got this backing to it that's tough. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, as you saw, my measurements weren't very precise, so I've got approximations. I don't actually know how to calculate meterage, so what I'm doing is if I combine the lengths of all this fabric, I've got 44.10 meters, and that makes it £2.20 per yard meter. I've been watching a lot of American YouTube, can you tell? Anyway, so that is pretty good. So again, if you want to partake, then I will put the link down below. Not sponsored at all. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the most in-depth review of a company that nobody ever asked me to give, and I shall see you next time. Bye. Words.